Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw Instagram bonuses via Meta Business Payouts, beginner guide step by step clearly. To withdraw Instagram bonuses via Meta Business Payouts, start by ensuring you have a Meta Business account. Log in to your Meta Business account using your credentials. Navigate to the Business Settings section from the home page. Once in Business Settings, select the Payments option from the left-hand menu. Here, you will see your payment details and history. To set up your payout method, click on Add Payment Method. Choose between direct deposit or checking account options for your payouts. Enter the necessary banking information as prompted. Make sure to double-check all the details for accuracy. Once you've added your payment method, save the information. Next, go to the Payouts section within the Payments menu. Here, you'll find any eligible bonuses that you can withdraw. Select the bonuses you wish to cash out. Review the payout amount and ensure you agree with the terms. Click on the Withdraw button to initiate the process. You will receive a confirmation message regarding your withdrawal. Keep an eye out for the deposited funds in your bank account. If you encounter any issues, refer to the support section of Meta Business. Ensure that you regularly check your payout status for updates. Follow these steps to successfully withdraw your Instagram bonuses through Meta Business Payouts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.